Hello kids, welcome to Kids Learning Classes. Today our lesson is about phonic sound. So let's get started. The first letter is A. A say apple. A apple. Very nice. Now moving to the next letter. The second letter is B. B say bat. Bat. Here is your bat. Very nice. Now the next letter is C. C say cat. Cat. Very nice kids. Now next letter D say dot. Dot. Very nice. Now the next letter is E. E say egg. Egg. Very nice. The next letter is what? F. F say fish. 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 Very nice. Then now let's go to the next letter. G say gun. Gun. Very nice kids. Next letter is H. H say hand. H say hand. Very nice. Now moving to the next letter. I. Igloo. I say igloo. Very nice. Now we'll see the next letter. J. J say joker. Joker. Very nice. Now moving to the next letter. K. K say kite. K say kite. Very nice. Now moving to the next letter. L. L say lamb. Lamb. Very nice kids. Now the next letter after L. M. M say man. M say man. Very nice. M say man. Wow. Now moving to the next letter. The next letter is N. N say net. Net. Okay. Now the next letter is O. Ow. Ow. Very nice kids. Now the next letter is P. P say parrot. P say parrot. Very nice. Now moving to the next letter. Q. Queen. Q say queen. Very nice kids. Now moving to the next letter. R. R say rabbit. Rabbit. Wow kids, you're learning so fast. Now the next letter is S. S. Ship. Ship. The another sound for S. Ship. Okay, there are two sounds for this. Now moving to the next letter is T. T say ta. Very nice kid. Now moving to the next letter is U. U say umbrella. Umbrella. Very nice. Now the next letter is V. V say van. We say van. Very nice. Now moving to the next letters. W. W say wah, wah, water. Wah, wah, water. Very nice kids. Now moving to the next letter. X. X say X, X, X-ray. X, X, X-ray. Okay kids. Very nice. Now moving to the next letter. The letter is Y. Y say yeah, yeah, yuck. Yeah, yeah, yuck. Very nice. Now moving to the next letter. That is, and the last letter is Z. Z say Z, Z, zebra. Z, Z, zebra. Very nice. Now it's time to say bye bye kids. See you in the next class. Bye bye.